I don't know if this has sound or not, but what you're looking at right there is a Woodward governor built around 1899. The yellow wheel on the right opens and closes the gates. The thing on the left is the hydraulic reservoir and pump, pumps up to 200 pounds pressure. I had to put spotlights on this thing because it was dark in here and you couldn't see it. And this shaft right here is what turns, that goes outside. Long shaft goes out to the gates. The controller unit over here, kind of hard to see with this light, got a little dial in the middle is what you turn the speed up and down with, and then a little motor next to it, electronic controls, little fly balls inside that control the speed, just like on Jules Verne. And then when you're over here running the controls, you look over to this side of the room, and there's your electrical control panel about 25 feet away, and that's a big switchboard, and this has all the controls to run the turbine on. And as we walk up to it, over here on the right, this little panel you see on the right here, these are the gauges for monitoring the turbine. I'll get up close so you can see each gauge. That one is the synchroscope. That's where you line up your cycles. This is your cycles of electricity. Your voltage, we're running 440 volts, about 450. This is what the generator's putting out. And these controls here are just switches to turn on and off different meters. But right here, this is where you turn the generator on. This panel right here, kind of hard to get the light just right, it says warning. This is the breaker to turn on when you engage the generator. So you get the cycles, you're looking over there at the cycles, the synchroscope, and the voltage, you get everything lined up just right. You reach down here, you slam the thing in, and if you got it right, it locks in the generator. Then you got the monitor the generator, this control here. This is reading about 190 amps. That's how much power the generator's putting out. We're putting out about 70 kilowatts of electricity. This is the field amperage gauge here. This is, we're putting in about 7 amps of DC power into the field to generate the power. And this is the most important one. This is the meter. This is what is metering how much power we're producing. And if I can hold this steady enough, see that wheel going by? That means I'm giving power to the public service company. And these are the switches that control the turbine speed, the synchronous motor, and all that stuff. I'm shooting a video. This is Bill Colbath, my friend electrician who helps me make this thing work. He couldn't resist coming back, seeing what I was doing. Then you go down these stairs to the basement. It's a little dark, I left the light bulb down here, but that's the old fire pump. And over there, that's the turbine. So this shoots the branch, it looks like it's barely moving, but it's turning 250 RPM. There's the GE generator. That's just a little shorter than me. Over here in the danger zone, I rigged up some lights. There's the pulley turning. There's the pillow block. We're having trouble with getting too hot, so we're monitoring the temperature on my $1 temperature gauge. There's the air shield. There's the inside the generator. That wheel goes out through that tunnel and out to where the water goes. That's how we're making electricity. This is our new meter box. The public service has their hookup to the meter outside. So then we go back out to the thing. There's our water pump for the fire system. If you get sound with this, and I can tell you, you probably get motion sickness. Then you go out the front door. It's about 40 degrees cooler out here. There's my car. And if we turn and look at the building, that red light means the generator is on. And this is our meter. It's telling us how much power that we produced. And that's it.